If you're trying to set up a two-player game on the Nintendo Switch and not sure where to start, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Today we're going to learn how to use each of your Joy-Cons separately. Let's begin. First of all, let's remove our Joy-Cons. Press the lock button behind your Joy-Con and slide off both Joy-Cons by pressing the button on the back and sliding up. This puts them in a state where they can be paired via Bluetooth. Now use the touchpad of your screen to navigate to system settings. Scroll down to controllers and sensors. Open change grip/order. Now get one Joy-Con at hand and press the SL and SR button on your Joy-Con. The first Joy-Con you press the SL and SR button for will become the player 1. Now do this for the other Joy-Con too. You will see that both of your Joy-Cons are now showing in the screen separately. Just press the button that are asked to you in screen prompt and get out of there. Now all that is left for you to do is find a game that supports 2 players and you can get started. I highly recommend Minecraft, by the way. And if you want a story-based experience, A Way Out is also a great game. Anyways, I'll be taking my leave for now, but you make sure to enjoy that game of yours, and I'll see you in the next video.